Today is the day you've all been waiting for. It is going to be the day where this no longer looks like this anymore. You'll see exactly what I'm talking about. Ah, see there? Engine time. This is M52B28, 2.8 liter. That's what the guy who sold it to me said it was. 2.8 liter BMW engine. That's what's going into the. Wouldn't leave me alone. DM. Engine. When I put in the engine, see the engine there. See the engine there. Zoom in on the engine, show them. Engine time. I could see it.
I found my love in Portofino.
I think the engine itself, just drop the engine from the side. So I forgot, Jeff.
Yeah, for rocket.
Jeff come
Damn.
Boom back.
That's how we balance it.
Boom boom.
I can balance it.
So far the
Balance it.
Yeah, there.
Jack up. On.
It buck.
Buck?
Yeah, man.
Big bird.
Yeah.
Ready?
Shit, they must squeeze man and put it down though.
1, 2.
What?
Oh, can't put it on there.
Excuse the dirtiness, but we're gonna move the car right now. This is the first time the car moved from which part it there in 2 years. This is mind blowing for me itself.
No, it's not. Why can't
It can turn the wheel.
Oh yeah, by itself. But we can't. We're not connect the two. You're good, man. How are you doing? No, so it stops. Drop on something.
Yeah, it's stuck.
On something. What did it?
Not for that.
Stand the wheel, man. At the end of the block here.
Nothing check your side.
And the drive shaft.
Alright.
One on the side. Yep. No, don't push, sir. Turn, sir. So yeah.
I'm sure because I'm not have the both of them here. So for one. And two, what else? The leveler.
You have to go there for the supper.
Two in there now. One up on the side, one up on the side. But them screw all the way up, I think.
Judge dog.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
He turn up, buddy. Turn up. He turn up.
Black. Look like peas.
Alright. So I'm behind the camera this time. This has been cameraman for the day. This now is Jeffrey. Dunce. And Shakir, we all know Shakir, don't it? But what is that behind Shakir?
Magic boom boom.
The bad engine. And we have the engine stand for it right here. I mean the engine lift, the engine crane. Yeah. The plan should be to roll this car here, but currently, excuse me trying to clear up here, but currently the tire sits right on the wheel here. So we have to like lift the back of the car while we push it. But the goal is to push the car down to the edge of the road here. Right here. And then remove the engine from the vehicle and put it into this vehicle. Today is the day. Today is the day when I get to put on my Condor speed engine mount, you know? Let's get it. Yeah, so we're cutting out the seatbelt to use it to lift out the engine, supposedly. But we're going to use the passenger side. What we're going to do? It's an old car, guys. Don't worry about it. It's an old car. I never cut a seatbelt before, guys. Be careful. What? Alright. We got that on video, right? That was scary. And if I sharp still. Dance. I've just beat me. I feel it, I get tension.
Right, this will go for the cardboard.
It's going on. So be a cover. Drag it.
No man, turn this now.
What are you saying for the now?
If we wash it and
Wash
then we
what?
let it dry first and then turn it on back.
What that?
The camera. The
A
camera.
dog have a white camera. No, no, if you can see camera. But it white, you see me? And the dog I say, no, don't see. Let me use the bumbo now mirror. Yeah man, the dog have a white camera, you see it? And that you with a big top electrician put in AC in numerous houses. And if the house burn down, him on the blame. Him tell you to wash the camera.
Yeah, just lock it off, take out the battery, wash the camera. And then wait until it dry
Wash it with water.
properly. Yeah, with water.
You have left it for soap?
Yeah, that's preferable still. You want it very clean.
So I use detergent,
And use hot water.
hot water.
Yeah,
That make it better.
make it better. Get out the stain there, man.
Yeah.
And then turn it back.
And
It's like a work,
and they
100%.
walk.
But if it don't dry properly,
Boom.
it's like a mashup. Yeah.
Boom. Boom up.
But usually it don't dry properly. But I know my business that's true.
A real thing. Touch back your record button, my dad.
Suppose me want to drive it, dog. You want to drive, bro. Seatbelt
nah,
ticket
they better.
expensive, you know.
Seatbelt
Yeah, bro. Hospitality, bro. Nah, bro. I already have airbag. I can't have two. No.
like me.
Or ABS, bro.
What else have to make this work? I find somewhere to put this level. 10 minutes.
Well, I'm not turn up on anything.
Nice, so I'm going to 71 minutes.
Should I pull it back farther on this so that's between the two cylinders?
So this should they open this, brother?
Just pull it out.
No, lift up the come on, bro.
Careful.
Alright.
Oh yeah, go ahead, buddy.
Stop that. Stop.
Can I have
Gonna move up the van?
Yeah, you have it?
Oh, this shit is heavy, man.
Oh, see, just what I was tweaking.
Drive up now.
Yeah. Yeah, 30 by 30.
Spin, we have to spin it, man. Look. People that spend all their time thinking and nothing to do. Don't do that yet. Look up this hand first, bro.
We have to go down a little bit.
Jeff the great mastermind.
Look crazy always, it always look crazy at first. Jeff don't, but it's smart, you know.
Alright, bomb update time. So we get the engine mount bracket them on. Two of them. And we'll just get ready for put it in the car compressor. So we got the conduit engine mount so far. Hoping you can hear me. We got the engine mount in and pretty decent. So just for push down the car to this and line up the engine. But just 2 hours, so we're gonna set up the camera and see how best we can. Let me see what I'm going. By the way, guys, Ricky, hold on, let me zoom out. Zoom out. Zoom out. Hold on. We have to go move this. But Ricky is here with the truck and I'm going to help her move the car. And Jeff there still. Just there were two. Oh man.
I'm a black. I've seen it. Yeah, we still have waves.
Duns.
Wavy. Alright.
So yes, let's see what he has to do. Where I say, I move this back, so?
Yeah, go on, push it.
Ooh, it's a turn. Alright. Chuck time. Yeah. Duns. Remember, stay big up Ricardo, you know? I'm gonna put his Instagram here so y'all can hit him up when y'all need your stuff moved, you know? I hope his Instagram, yeah, his number should be on the Instagram. But we're gonna pull this car down now. So we got it now. Winch boss.
What do you mean to hold, like literally?
Yeah, like, but it in a diagonal. It's stable, man, sir.
It should hold it.
So all this, so.
Let's go.
Oh, okay, sorry.
Master.
Master. This is the master at work. Alright. Now if I catch this still in it, you know.
Wait. Remember we have to stop.
Oh yeah.
The block.
Yeah. But when I think it would have moved as fast, you know. Alright, mad. Oh God, I hope. Open it. All a bike, man. Better watch out. Woo. Woo. Huh?
Yo, come.
Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side eye.
Let's move it somewhere. Try it down the car. Oh yeah. Woo. Yeah, it should be. Yeah, look a bit. Look a bit more. Yeah. Nice.
So him go on, man.
You'd rather crush my hand right now.
I have a bigger problem. Don't say that. Bigger problem. Carry me to Jacko.
I'm going for you, Jack.
Because this I touch your control arm.
You look at Jack can't work, right?
They say I risk your life. So which one here? I put it on the subframe.
Give me the something with that one.
Yeah. I put it on the subframe.
Give me the something with that one.
Yeah, this one. You give it a good shake.
Don't go down some. The key is over there. The car is right here. And the engine is now in the car. After 17 million hours, but it's done. Now you guys can start DMing me. Put the engine in the car because the engine actually in the car now. With the wire loop. Yeah. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, comment, let me know what you guys think of all the stuff that we did today, and subscribe. Don't.